To graduate, you need to complete 96 credits. The courses at CMU are weighed as 12 credit courses, but you are expected to do 3 to 4 courses a semester. Usually, people try and do it as 3. As international students, one thing you'll need to note is though you need 96 credits, which is 8 courses. So this was when I was there, the rule came out. I'm pretty sure at least until last semester it was there. So this rule is still there. International students need to maintain full-time status in all their semesters. Full-time status is equivalent to 36 credits, which is 3 courses per semester. So even if you're done with 3 and 3 in the first 2, and you decide to take just 2 in the last semester, you will have to take 3 to maintain full-time status. So though your graduation requirement is 96, you have to do 108. So when you want to specialize in systems, to start off with it, there is a basic course called Introduction to Computer Systems, which literally every single student going into CMU takes. The course being specific to the ECE department, but I would recommend to students, if you'll get a chance, take the one from the CS department, though the assignments remain the same. From the academics perspective, one thing I would recommend, especially in an atmosphere like CMU, is in your first semester, just focus on your academics, on making your foundation strong. It's a different weather to adapt to, it's a completely different type of curriculum, and it's a very different type of vigor to adapt to. So one of the lines is purely the hardware line, where you'll be doing more of chip designing and stuff. They have VLSI design, they have chip designing, and you have your microprocessors, microcontrollers. The second one, which people commonly do, is on the lines of machine learning. You can do a combination of like image multimedia processing, and at the same time do I know there's a course called pattern recognition, which is again an application of machine learning to images. The third line, which I know, is on lines of security. So you have network security, information security, cyber and computer security. In these 8 courses, which are your graduation requirements, you have to have 5 which are from your department, and 3 which can be from absolutely any other department. Everyone does more than 8, because like I told you, for international students, 9 you have to do. So there itself, you can easily make it as 5 from your department and 4 from absolutely any other in the university. Usually if you want to specialize in systems, most of your others would be from the computer science department, or if you're going in lines of machine learning, there is a language technology institute, which is a different department. It will be from there. You can even do like entrepreneurship or something lighter during your job search. Like I have friends who have even taken soccer. I have really not seen that happening too often, and that's really hard as well. Actually, most of the courses do have at least your first few assignments in C. So data structures and algorithms and C is something I would surely recommend. And do some basic of Linux, just like basic Linux commands, at least installing files, opening an IDE, moving things around, so you're not completely blank when you start off.